Hi, I'm Sabrina Winters and I'm an estate planning attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I want to review with you a little portion of my list of what I think is a great starting off checklist for when you are doing your estate plan. Number one, I'd like you to go find your assets. Number two, when you find your assets, I'd like you to know how they are owned. Number three, after you find your assets and you know how they are owned, I want you to find out if there are any named beneficiaries on those accounts. They could be POD, TOD, or they could be called beneficiaries. Find out if there are names and also find out if there aren't any names, what is the end result with the financial institution. Once you have all this information, I want you to start putting together some sort of spreadsheet or checklist for yourself regarding all of these assets. If you are married, your spouse absolutely 100% needs to know all of this as well. Although I hear a lot from my clients, from the husbands, well, I'm going to die first and my wife's going to have all this on her plate. We all know we don't have a crystal ball, so you both need to know. Having this checklist started about your assets is such a big step, because without it, you cannot have an estate plan that's actually going to fit the needs and goals that you want, because you don't know how all of your assets are owned and whether you have beneficiaries, etc. So definitely make all of that your first step. And if you need an estate plan in place and you live in North Carolina, visit my website at ncestateplanninginfo.com. Check the box for schedule a meeting and get yourself on my calendar today. Tomorrow is not guaranteed for any of us. I'm Sabrina Winters and I'm an estate planning attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're planning today for your families tomorrow.